Zelinski with Additive Manufacturing Media. I am in El Goyabar, Spain, at the machine builder Etxetar, learning about the future role that additive manufacturing is going to play in automotive brake disc production. Etxetar is working with a major auto producer to develop a thin laser metal deposition layer of what will likely be titanium carbide as a more effective surface for brake discs. The aim in Europe relates to coming environmental regulations. The harder surface means less brake dust will get into the atmosphere, but one effect of this is brake discs that will last a whole lot longer because of the harder surface. The way that this process will work, an initial layer of about 120 microns thick of stainless steel, at an intermediate layer, and then the outer surface is a mix of stainless steel and the carbide, about 250 micron thick. These are very thin, precise layers, and that requires a lot of process control. And that's what Etxetar is working on right now with this test machine, looking at issues like powder consistency, flowability, and other issues related to powder, software control, closed loop control over the laser metal deposition process. And then from there, what will come next is the machine building production machines for full-scale, ongoing production, likely beginning in 2027 when this technology will come to consumer automobiles.